Hi students, in this video we are going to see what is an arithmetic progression. It is a sequence in which terms are obtained by the addition of a constant number to its previous terms. So let us see an examples. In my first example, the given sequence is 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52 and so on. So is this an AP? Yes. The reason is my first term is T1. To obtain the second term, I have added a constant number which is 10. To obtain the third term, again I will add 10 to my second term. To obtain the fourth term, I will add plus 10 to my third term and so on. So this is the reason my first example is an AP. Let us look at a second example. Is this an AP? Yes. Why? The reason is my first term is 100. To get a second term, I have added a constant number which is minus 10. To get a third term, I have added a constant number which is again minus 10. Similarly, to get a fourth term, again I will add minus 10 and so on. In the last example, I can see each and every term of a sequence is 86. So is this an arithmetic progression? Yes. The question is why? In the sequence, my first term was 86. To get a second term, I will add 0. To add a third term, I will add 0 to my second term. To get a fourth term of an AP, I will add 0 to my third term and so on. So therefore, our constant number can be either positive, as we saw in the first example, either it can be negative or it can be 0. So there are some notes for you guys. First one, the first term which is denoted by T1 of an AP is denoted by a letter A. A constant number is nothing but a difference between any two consecutive terms, and it is denoted by letter D. So how do we find out D? We will find difference between any two consecutive terms. That means if one term is Tn, my second term will be T of n minus 1, and we will find out the difference between that two. Now let us see an nth term of an AP. And what is the use of this? If suppose I gave you a sequence which consists only starting 4 terms, and if I ask you the 89th term of a sequence, that what you are going, then what you guys you are going to do? So if I say my first term of an AP is A, we know to find out the second term, I need to add constant term or constant number D. To find the third term, I will add constant number to second term, which is A plus D plus D, which is equal to A plus 2D. Similar way, if I want to find the fourth term, I am going to add constant number D to my third term, which will give us A plus 3D. In this way, if I ask you nth term, that what you guys are going to do? If you have observed, for the second term, that is T2, you have added D. For T3, you have added 2D. For the fourth term, you have added 3D. In similar way, for the nth term, you are going to add n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula for the nth term of an AP. Now, what if I ask you to find out sum of first n terms of an AP? So let us consider the first n terms of an AP, sum of first n terms of first n terms of an AP be Sn. Now, since in an AP my terms are evenly spaced, therefore I can say that average is equal to sum of n terms divided by number of terms. So if I want to find out Sn, can I say it is nothing but n times average? In an AP, my terms are evenly spaced. So to find out an average, I can say add first term and last term of a sequence and divide that by 2. So this is n into what is my first term? First term is a, and I can say nth term or the last term is a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. That means my formula is n by 2 into a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's it. This is nothing but sum of first n terms of an AP. Thank you.